Hello all, welcome to Paritranaya. In this video, we shall discuss about an important topic from UPSC point of view, that is dynasties and capitals. When it comes to ancient history, there are certain topics which are considered as hot topics from UPSC point of view, and this topic is one among them. This material we have compiled from 11th and 12th Tamil Nadu books, and it is very important from exam point of view. Let us go through the list. So in the Tamil Nadu book also, they are only mentioned about the capitals. They are not mentioned about in which modern state they are present. But UPSC often focuses on the ancient cities and in which modern state they are present. So we have added extra information. For example, Bihar for Rajgir and Bihar for Pataliputra. So let us start with the list. So an important dynasty, Haryanka dynasty, its capital was present at Rajgir and also at Pataliputra. Both Rajgir and Pataliputra, they are located in modern state of Bihar. Also, I will urge you to locate all these places on map. So I'll show you an example. So Haryanka, Rajgir and Pataliputra in Bihar. Similarly, I'll urge you to mark for all the other dynasties and the respective capitals. Nanda dynasty, it had its capital at Pataliputra, Bihar. Again, Maurya dynasty, Pataliputra, Bihar. Chira dynasty, Mahodayapuram, Kerala, and Kollam, Kerala. So some dynasties have two capitals. So initially for a few days or a few years, they'll be having a capital at a particular place, and next they'll shift the capital. So that is why there are multiple places for few of the dynasties. Next, Pandya dynasty, Korkai, Tamil Nadu, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, Turkasi, Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. For Shunga dynasty, again Pataliputra, Bihar, Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. Kanwa dynasty, Pataliputra, Bihar. Satavahanas, Pratishthanapuram, which is present in Maharashtra. Amravati, which is present in the modern state of Andhra Pradesh. Kushanas, the dynasty's capital was present at Bagram, which is in Afghanistan, present day Afghanistan. Peshawar, which is in present day Pakistan. Takshashila, present day Pakistan. And Mathura, present day Uttar Pradesh. Vakataka's capital was present at Vatsagulam. Present day it is called as Wasim, and it is present in the state of Maharashtra. Prabhupura dynasty, present day it is present in Maharashtra, so its capital is Nandi Vardhana. Guptas had their capital at Pataliputra, again in Bihar. Pallavas had their capital at Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Western Ganga dynasty had its capital at Kolar in Karnataka and Talakadu in Karnataka. Kadambas had their capital in Banavasi, Karnataka. Eastern Ganga dynasty had its capital at Dantapuram, which is in present day Andhra Pradesh, and Kalinga Nagara Kataka, which is in present day Odisha. Pushyabhuti dynasty has had its capital at Thanesar, present day Haryana, and Kanauj, which is in present day Uttar Pradesh. Chalukyas of Badami, they had their capital at Badami, present day Karnataka. Gurjaras of Lata, they had their capital at Nandipuri, Nandod, which is in present day Maharashtra. And Brigu Kacha, present day it is called as Broch, and it is located in the state of Gujarat. Gurjara Pratiharas, so, their capital was located at Kanauj, present day Uttar Pradesh. Chalukyas of Vengi had their capital at Vengi, present day Andhra Pradesh, and Rajamundri, present day Andhra Pradesh. Rashtrakutas had their capital at Manyakheda, present day Karnataka. Palas had their capital at Mudgagiri, presently it is called as Mungar, and it is located in the state of Bihar. Cholas, we have different Cholas, ancient Cholas and medieval Cholas. So medieval Cholas were having their capital at Urayur, Tamil Nadu, Tiruvarur, Tamil Nadu, Poonpuhar, Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, Pajayari, Tamil Nadu. Later Cholas had their capital at Gangaikonda Cholapuram, Tamil Nadu. Yadavas have their capital at Devagiri, Maharashtra. Paramaras had their capital at Dar, which is present in the present day Madhya Pradesh, and also Mandu, which is in present day Madhya Pradesh. Western Chalukyas had their capital at Kalyani. So in modern day it is called as Basava Kalyan, located in the state of Karnataka. Hoysalas had their capital at Halebeedu, present day Karnataka, also Beluru, present day Karnataka. Kakatiyas had their capital at Warangal, Telangana. Slave dynasty. so of Delhi Sultanate. So it was present in Delhi, Lahore, as well as Daulatabad, present day Maharashtra. Khilji dynasty was present at Delhi. Tughlaq dynasty was present at Delhi. Bahmani Sultanate, it had its capital at Gulbarga in Karnataka and Bidar in Karnataka. Vijayanagara Empire had its capital at Anegundi, Karnataka and Hampi, Karnataka. Lodhi dynasty, is the capital was present at Delhi. Similarly, Mughal dynasty's capital was present at Delhi. So the information which we have compiled here, this will definitely help you in the upcoming prelims. So mark all these capitals on modern day map. So locate where in which state exactly all these things are located. So it will definitely help you in the examination hall when you are supposed to recall these things. So if you understood, just try to answer this question through comment box. Consider the following pairs: dynasty and capital. Paramara, Devagiri, Rashtrakutas, Banavasi, Pushabhuti, Thanesar, Yadavas, Mandu. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? Only one pair, only two pairs, only three pairs, all four pairs. So if you are able to answer this question, then it indicates that you have understood about the various dynasties and the capitals where they are located. So this was related to dynasties and capitals. Similarly, in the subsequent videos, we will be discussing about the other important topics related to ancient history. For all our further updates, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.